Hi kids, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have construction vehicles from Just Kidz. This set comes with 4 construction vehicles and 2 workers. Looks like lots of fun. Let's open it.
Hey man, what's up? Oh, I'm just here looking at my trucks. Your trucks? I thought they were my trucks. Let's take a look anyway. It'll be a lot of fun. Okay, but I still think they're my trucks. These men are pretty cool. They're pretty flexible. Looks like they'll be able to sit in their trucks too. Yeah, not our trucks, my trucks. No, they're my trucks, dude. Well, let's go check them out. Here's our cement truck. Look at those wheels. Aren't the treads really cool? Space for a driver. The wheel even moves. Oh, looking good. Let's see if this works. Hey, my truck works pretty good.
Wow, check out this drill. It's very movable. Let's check out these wheels. Wow, the treads are really cool. It's got a little ladder. Got a strong engine. Let's see if the wheel turns. It does! The wheel can turn. And we have a little safety bar to keep the workers safe when they're walking along the drill. I wonder if the drill works. Let's try it out. I just happen to have some Playdoh right here. Let's see how it did. Whoa! You can see we're starting to get all the way through the Playdoh. Do you see those holes? Let's finish the job. That's a great big giant hole. Yay! Great job. Let's see the next one. It's a front loader. I bet it could pick up lots of heavy things. Let's check out the wheels. Wow, I really like their treads. And look, it also has a safety bar. And the wheel actually works. It's got a really strong engine like the other trucks. These are some mighty machines. I wonder what he can find to fill up his bucket. Oh look, it's Lightning McQueen. Hey everybody, this is lots of fun. Down you go. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. That's not Lightning McQueen, that's Rubble. Rubble on the double. Still Rubble. Lightning McQueen. Lightning McQueen. Wow, an Angry Bird surprise egg. We're gonna open that at the end. Look at all those characters. Okay, you better put that down so we have it for later. That's another cool mighty machine. Here's our last mighty machine. What do we have here? It's a dump truck. Wow, let's see if the wheel moves. It moves, yay! And we have strong wheels. And look at that mighty dump truck. I wonder what we could fill the dump truck up with. Let's see what's in the dump truck. There's our Angry Bird surprise egg. Oh, and it looks like there's more than one. There's an Angry Birds, a How to Train Your Dragon, and a Peppa Pig winter collection. We're gonna open those a little bit later. Do you remember the well that we dug? Well, I think we need to fill it up. Let's fill it up with our cement truck. Yay! We did it! Now it's time for surprises! Yeah, surprises. Let's open up our surprises. Yeah, let's open up our surprises. We have 3 eggs. Let's open them up. How to Train Your Dragon Chupa Chups. Here's our flyer. And look, we got Toothless. Look, it's Toothless. Let's see what our next egg is. Let's open up Peppa Pig. Here's our flyer. And it looks like we got stickers. Finally, we have Angry Birds. Very cool. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget, subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.